Okay. Substitute equation 3 and equation 2 in equation 1. We get substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. We get n, the number of the concentration of electrons in conduction band is equal to integral EC to infinity. So in the place of Z of E into dE, we have 4 pi by h cube 2me star whole to the power of 3 by 2 E minus EC whole to the power of 1 by 2 dE, and in the place of f of E we have exponential of EF minus E by kB. Now see, since we are integrating with respect to dE, so the term which are independent of energy can be taken out from integration, and it can be given as n is equal to 4 pi by h cube 2me star whole to the power of 3 by 2 exponential of EF by kBT integration EC to infinity E minus EC whole to the power of 1 by 2 exponential of minus E by kBT into D. Now see, the exponential of EF by kBT has been taken out from the integration because we are integrating with respect to dE, and whereas EF is a constant, the Fermi energy level of infinite semiconductor. Now this equation will be solved by assuming, let us assume E minus EC with X. So let me replace the E minus EC with X. So this purpose is only for solving this equation in a simple way. So therefore when we replace E minus EC with X, so what will be the value of dE? So dE can be obtained by differentiating this one here. So we get dE is equal to dx. So EC is the lowest energy level of the valency band, and differentiation of this EC will become 0, and therefore the value of dE is dx, and there will be change in lower limit and upper limit also. So the upper limit changes to, the upper limit will be equal to infinity, and lower limit will be equal to 0. So these limits will be obtained from the equation E minus EC is equal to X. Okay. So after getting the values of X and dx, substitute these all values in this equation. So we get here, and then from this equation, and we have n is equal to 4 pi by h cube 2me star whole to the power of 3 by 2 exponential of EF by kBT, and in integration the lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be infinity. In the place of E minus EC we have X. So X whole to the power of 1 by 2 exponential of, so what is the value of E from this here? The value of E can be given as E is equal to X plus EC. So minus of X plus EC will becomes minus E minus EC minus X by kBT into dx. And in this equation we are integrating with respect to X. Therefore exponential of minus EC by kBT can be taken out. So the resultant equation will becomes n is equal to 4 pi by h cube 2me star whole to the power of 3 by 2 exponential of EF minus EC by kBT integration 0 to infinity x to the power of 1 by 2 exponential of minus x by kBt into dx. So mathematically this equation is called as gamma function, and the value of this equation can be given as n is equal to 4 pi h cube 2 me star whole to the power of 3 by 2 exponential of EF minus EC by kBt into, and this value, this integration function can be called as gamma function mathematically, and this value can be given as root pi by 2 into kBt whole to the power of 3 by 2. And rearing all the terms here, it becomes 2, and pi to the power of 1 into pi to the power of 1 become pi to the power of 3 by 2, and making all the terms writing here, we get n is equal to 2 into 2 pi me star kBt by h square whole to the power of 3 by 2 into exponential of EF minus EC by kBt. And this is this final equation number 4. This equation 4 represents the concentration of electrons in the conduction band of intrinsic semiconductor. Now see, this N represents concentration of electron, that means number of electrons per unit volume or electron density. So this can be, N can be called as a concentration of electrons, or else density of electrons in conduction band of intrinsic semiconductor, or number of electrons per unit volume in conduction band of intrinsic semiconductor, and it can be given as 2 into 2 pi me star. Me star means here effective mass of electron, Kb Boltzmann constant, T absolute temperature, H Planck's constant, Ef Fermi energy level, Ec the lowest or bottom energy level of the conduction band. So the number of electrons in the conduction band depends upon the temperature, because all the remaining terms are constant in the equation. Me star is constant, H is constant, Kp constant, Ef constant, Ec constant, Kb constant. So only this N represents, N depends upon the temperature, absolute temperature of the semiconductor. So these are about equation 1. Okay.